Now children, we are going to see the fifth sum. Fifth sum, show that the following system of the equations have unique solution x plus y plus z equal to 3, then x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 4, then 4x plus 4y plus 9z equal to 6 by rank method. Okay, they said to show that, and also they said it has a unique solution. Now as usual, what you will do, we will be writing solution the given equations. The given equations are, you just write it, what is the given equation, you write it. So what is a given equation? X plus y plus z equal to 3, then x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 4, then x plus 4y plus 9z equal to 6. So this is the given equation. Next what you have to do it, we have to write it ax equal to b. Okay, so next we have to write it in the form of ax equal to b. So the matrix equation for the given system, the matrix of the given system is 1 1 1 1 2 3 1 4 9, then x y z, that is equal to 3 4 6. Okay, already we know, no, in before sums we said, no, I said we have seen, no, how we can write the matrix form, and now only we can write this is of the form of ax equal to b. So this is of the form ax equal to b. Okay, next we are going to write the augmented matrix. Augmented matrix A comma B. Next here what you have to write? Elementary transformation. So elementary transformation. Now what we have to do here? Augment matrix means 1 1 1 3, then 1 2 3 4, then 1 4 9 6. Okay, so now we have to write it. Okay, we have written like that. Next, first of all, already here 1 should be there. Already the 1 is there. So that is the first condition. We have to leave it that one. Next one, this one you have to make it as 0. So for that, what is the condition we can do? R2 implies R2 minus R1. Okay, simply if you subtract itself, it will become 0. So 1 1 1 3. Next, what is a 0? 2 minus 1 means what is the answer? 1. Then 3 minus 1 is 2. Then 4 minus 3 is 1. So here likewise R3. R3 implies same wise R3 minus R1. R3 minus R1. So 1 minus 1 is what is the answer? 0. 4 minus 1 is what is the answer? 3. Then 9 minus 1 is what is the answer? 8. Then 6 minus 3 is 3. So this is how we have to write it. Next, what is the condition? We have to make this one 3 as the 0. Okay, for that one we are going to do as 1 1 1 3, then 0 1 2 1. Then what we have to do? R3 implies R3 minus 3 R2. Okay, so what we will be getting? 0 here. Then 3 minus 3 into 1 is anyway here 0. Then 8 minus 3 into 2. So 8 minus 3 into 2. So what is the answer? 8 minus 3 into it is 6. So what is the answer? 2. Then here 3 minus 3 into 1, in the sense it will become 0. Okay, so this how we have make the echelon form we have it. So now you see here the rank of A. the rank of A also 3, then rank of A comma B also 3, because here 1 2 is here. So if it is fully 0 only, the rank will be 2. So here one number is there, so the rank will be what, 3 only. So A also 3, and also a row of A comma B also 3. Okay, so therefore row of A equal to 3 and row of A comma B is it equal to 3. Okay, therefore rank of A is it equal to rank of A comma B is it equal to 3. That is equal to number of unknowns. Okay, so number of unknowns in the sense we have to find out the values x, y and z. The system is consistent. The system is consistent and has unique solution. Okay, next what we have to do, as usual, you just write the given matrices form. So 0 1 2 0 0 2, then x y z, then that is equal to 3 1 0. Next what you have to write it, you have to write this one as x plus y plus z equal to 3, then y plus 2z equal to 1, then 2z equal to 0. Okay, we have to just multiply it and we have to write this equation. Next what we have to do, 2z equal to 0, then z equal to 0 by 2, then z equal to what is the answer, 0. Next you have to make this as 1 2 and 3. Now put z equal to 0 into y plus 2 into z equal to 1. So y plus 2 into 0 equal to 1. Then y plus 0 equal to 1. Then y is equal to 1. Next what we have to do, we have to substitute the y is equal to 1 in the z equal to 0 in equation 1. So put z equal to 0 and y is equal to 1 in 1. X plus y plus z equal to 3. So x plus 1 plus 0 equal to 3. Then x plus 1 equal to 3. X equal to 3 minus 1. Then x equal to 2. Therefore the solution set is 2, 1, 0. 2, 1, 0.